Hey there, Toyota enthusiasts. Are you tired of your check engine light causing headaches? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into the world of diagnostic tools that can save you time and money, specifically, the best OBD2 scanners for your Toyota. From troubleshooting engine codes to monitoring performance, these scanners are your best friend on the road. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or just looking to keep your vehicle in tip-top shape, I've got you covered. So, stick around as we explore the features, prices, and the top picks that will revolutionize your car maintenance game. Let's get started. Number 5. CGSULIT OBD2 Scanner. Unlock the full potential of your Toyota, Lexus, or Scion with the CGSULIT SC510 Elite OBD2 Scanner. Designed specifically for these brands, this powerful diagnostic tool covers all major systems, including engine, chassis, body, and electrical. Unlike many scanners on the market, it works with both OBDI and OBD2 vehicles, even the latest 2024 models. Save money and avoid unnecessary trips to the shop with this all-in-one scanner that reads and resets codes across all systems. Its 31+ service functions empower you to perform tasks like oil resets, ABS bleeding, and TPMS adjustments right from the comfort of your home. Experience the convenience of bidirectional controls, allowing you to conduct active tests, such as folding mirrors and activating brakes, which distinguishes between hardware issues and software glitches. Enjoy lifetime free updates and customer support that responds within 24 hours, ensuring you always have access to essential features and assistance. If you're searching for the best OBD2 scanner for Toyota, the CGSULIT SC510 Elite is your go-to choice for precision diagnostics and enhanced automotive performance. Number 4. ANCEL TD700. This powerhouse of a diagnostic scan tool is designed specifically for Toyota, Lexus, and Scion models from 1996 to 2021. With features like transmission fluid temperature monitoring and TPMS relearn, it helps you perform essential maintenance that keeps your vehicle running smoothly and saves you thousands in repair costs. The compatibility is extensive, covering popular models like Corolla, Camry, and Prius, and it supports 12 languages, making it user-friendly no matter where you are. While it doesn't support TPMS programming universally, the TD700 successfully facilitates wheel rotations and sensor replacements via relearn procedures for specific models. Additionally, its transmission diagnostics capabilities enable you to read fault codes and monitor live data, ensuring optimal performance. Coupled with ABS functionality, the TD700 allows for fine-tuning your brakes by reading and clearing trouble codes. Upgrade your toolkit with the Incel TD700 OBD2 scanner. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in your vehicle's longevity. Number 3. Foxwell N710 is the ultimate diagnostic tool for Toyota, Lexus, and Scion vehicles, truly standing out among the best OBD2 scanners for Toyota. This all-in-one tablet features comprehensive functionality with all-system diagnosis, enabling you to tackle engine, body, chassis, and more with ease. Say goodbye to pricey dealership visits. N710 provides a robust array of reset functions, including TPMS, SRS, and oil reset, ensuring your car runs smoothly for years to come. With its powerful bidirectional control, you can actively test and diagnose components, such as the fuel pump or windows, right from the scanner. The intuitive 4-in-1 data view captures vital engine parameters, making troubleshooting a breeze. Enjoy the convenience of lifetime Wi-Fi updates at no additional cost and access full OBD functions across all vehicles post-1996, even without an SD card. Backed by dependable after-sale service and remote technical support, the Foxwell N710 is not just a tool, it's your partner in car maintenance, saving you both time and money. Experience the difference and take control of your vehicle diagnostics today. Number 2. Launch Creader Elite version 2.0 is the ultimate OBD2 scan tool for Toyota and Lexus vehicles, elevating your diagnostic experience with advanced features that cater to both enthusiasts and professionals. With its vibrant 4-inch touchscreen and Android 8.1 OS, this powerful device empowers you to perform in-depth full-system diagnostics across all modules, including ECM, ABS, and TCM, among others. The upgraded ECU coding function allows for component matching and customization of OE settings, so you can tailor your vehicle's performance to your liking. Its bidirectional control lets you test various vehicle components, whether it's your windows, lights, or mirrors, providing a comprehensive analysis of potential issues. Equipped with a plethora of reset service capabilities such as oil light reset, throttle relearn, and DPF regeneration, this scan tool ensures your vehicle operates at its best. With one-click auto-VIN detection, you can effortlessly access vehicle data and perform essential OBD2 functions from 1996 onwards. Plus, launch offers lifetime free updates, ensuring you're always equipped with the latest software. Experience seamless diagnosis and maintenance with the Launch Creader Elite version 2.0, the best OBD2 scanner for Toyota. Number 1. Foxwell N710 Elite is the ultimate OBD2 scanner designed specifically for Toyota, Lexus, and Scion vehicles, making it the best OBD2 scanner for Toyota enthusiasts. This powerful bidirectional diagnostic tool offers unparalleled control with active testing capabilities, directly communicating with your vehicle's ECU to ensure components like doors, wipers, and windows are functioning flawlessly. Comprehensive reset maintenance features, including ABS bleeding, TPMS relearn, and oil reset, help you effortlessly maintain your car post-repairs. Not just limited to basic codes, the N710 Elite provides OE-level diagnostics across all electronic control modules, empowering you to detect and address faults without visiting the dealership. With full OBD2 functions, you can diagnose engine issues, read/clear codes, and view live data, ensuring your vehicle meets smog regulations with ease. Enjoy the convenience of one-click Wi-Fi lifetime free updates, keeping your scanner up to date with the latest software enhancements. The customizable software option allows you to tailor the N710 Elite to multi-vehicle households. Trust Foxwell's commitment to satisfaction, designed specifically for Toyota Lexus Scion from 1996 to 2024, ensuring you get the best technology right at your fingertips. In conclusion, choosing the best OBD2 scanner for your Toyota can greatly enhance your vehicle maintenance experience. From advanced features to user-friendly interfaces, our top picks offer reliable solutions tailored to Toyota owners. Make sure to consider each scanner's compatibility and functionality to find the best fit for your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with fellow Toyota enthusiasts. Your support helps us create more valuable content,